The new Slate pickup is already getting attention for its affordable price. But now buyers have another reason to take a closer look. The company has teamed up with Crayola to introduce a collection of colorful vehicle wraps inspired by some of the most recognizable crayons ever made. Instead of covering the truck with traditional paint at the factory, Slate leaves the body with a simple finish and gives owners the freedom to personalize it. The latest collaboration adds 5 exclusive wrap colors, including Cerulean blue, Dandelion yellow, Fern green, Jersey tomato orange, and Razmatazz pink. Each one gives the compact pickup and sport utility vehicle a playful appearance that stands out from the crowd. The customization goes beyond the exterior wrap. Buyers can also choose matching decals, colorful graphics for the mirrors and rocker panels, and even a key fob cap that matches the selected body color. It is a fun approach that allows owners to create a truck that reflects their own personality without spending luxury car money. The Crayola wraps are priced at $1,549.99, while Slate also continues to offer its standard wrap options at a much lower price. Buyers who want something even more distinctive can choose premium finishes or order a custom wrap designed specifically for their vehicle. The partnership also hints at Slate's future plans. The company says more collaborations with brands and creators are on the way, giving customers even more opportunities to customize their trucks and sport utility vehicles. For buyers looking for something different in a market filled with gray, black, and white pickups, this colorful partnership could make the Slate one of the most unique new vehicles on the road.